Hi there. Welcome to the PyKids channel created by a group of multimedia university students for a project that we decided to give free Python lessons for kids. So if you're a kid and if you want to learn Python, you're in the right place. So let's get started. So what is Python? Python is a high-level, interpreted, interactive, and an object-oriented scripting language. It is designed to be highly readable. As you can see, it uses English keywords frequently, whereas other languages uses punctuations. Python is processed at runtime by the interpreter rather than compiling the program before executing it. As previously mentioned, Python uses an interpreter to translate its code. So if there were any error encountered, it will stop the translation until the error is fixed. Here is an illustration of that. The first line is correct, but the second one is wrong. So the output will still run the correct line until it encounters an error. Unlike a compiled programming language such as C++ here, you can see that the first two lines are correct and the last one is incorrect, although the incorrect line is after the correct line. The output will only still list out the errors because a compiled programming language translate the whole code in one go rather than line by line. So here you can kind of get the idea of the basic difference between an interpreted language and a compiled language. So you should know that Python also supports OOP or object-oriented programming. An OOP organizes software design around data or objects rather than functions and logic. You will use it to define a class with attributes and methods, which you will then call. So here, as an example, a class of animals that can be different types, such as cats or dogs, that have their own properties, such as name and health, with methods of walking or running. So yeah, that's a brief intro on what Python is. An example here, if you want to print Good Morning Pi Kids, this is how a C++ code would look like, and this is how a Python code would look like. A big difference, right? Now let's dig a bit into the history of Python. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in the late 80s and early 90s at the National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in the Netherlands. The name Python was taken from a BBC comedy TV series called Monty Python's Flying Circus. So if you were to research more on this, if you read the Python documentation, you will see a lot of examples that are inspired by the Monty Python comedy series. Python is derived from many other languages, which includes ABC, Modula 3, C, C++, and many more other scripting languages. Currently, Python is now maintained by a core development team at the Institute, although Guido van Rossum himself still holds a vital role in directing its progress. So let's get started on installing a software or an IDE that will be using it to run Python. For this channel, we'll be using VS Code as the platform for running Python codes, and we'll provide the download link in the description down below. As you can see here, I am using a Mac OS, so I'll be clicking on that. Let's wait for the download. So after the zip file is finished download, let's unzip the file, and there you have it. As you can see here, I actually already have the app installed, but just to show you guys how to install this. And there you have it. You can now start writing Python codes. So I'll be passing on to my team members who each of them will. So I'll unzip that. Yeah. So I actually already have uh, a VS Code, but just to show an example on how to download it. And there you have it. So I'll be passing on to the other teammates where they'll be helping in each lesson of Pythons. So I hope you'll have a fun journey ahead, and I'll see you in the end. Happy coding!